1. Hook, are you throwing money at AWS without knowing why your bills keep rising? Stick around to learn how to optimize your costs effectively. 2. The real problem, AWS is powerful, but it can be a budget nightmare. Many engineers dive into cloud services without a clear plan. 2. The real problem, AWS is powerful, but it can be a budget nightmare. Many engineers dive into cloud services without a clear plan. They think they're saving time and money, but often they're just racking up costs. Understanding this problem is the first step toward minimizing your AWS expenses. 3. The simple explanation, AWS pricing is based on usage. The more you use, the more you pay. It sounds simple, but there are hidden costs everywhere. Services like EC2, S3, and RDS all have different pricing models. Without proper planning, it's easy to lose track of what you're spending. 4. Real-world example, let's consider a startup called Appify. They launched a new mobile app using AWS. Initially, they estimated their monthly bill would be around $500. They provisioned EC2 instances for their application and S3 for storage. After a few months, their bill skyrocketed to $2,500. What happened? They didn't monitor their usage closely. An EC2 instance was running 24/7, even during off hours. They also used S3 without implementing lifecycle policies. This led to unnecessary costs on data storage. By the end, Appify was spending 5 times their budget, which hurt their cash flow. Step 1. Analyze your usage. Use AWS Cost Explorer to understand your spending patterns. Look for unexpected spikes in your bill. Step 2. Right-size your resources. Regularly review your EC2 instances. If you have instances running at less than 20% utilization, consider downscaling or switching to spot instances. Step 3. Implement auto-scaling. Set up auto-scaling groups for your EC2 instances. This ensures you only run instances when needed. Step 4. Use S3 lifecycle policies. Create lifecycle policies for your S3 buckets. Move and frequently access data to cheaper storage classes like S3 Glacier. Step 5. Set budgets and alerts. Use AWS budgets to set a cost threshold. Get alerts when your spending approaches that limit, allowing you to take action quickly. 6. Common mistakes. Mistake 1. Ignoring unused resources. Many engineers leave resources running that are no longer needed. Solution. Regularly audit your resources and terminate any that aren't in use. Mistake 2. Not using reserved instances. Startups often use on-demand instances but miss out on savings. Solution. If you have a predictable workload, commit to reserved instances for discounts. Mistake 3. Over-provisioning storage. Using default storage sizes can lead to unnecessary costs. Solution. Assess your actual storage needs. Use the right storage class for each type of data. Mistake 4. Forgetting data transfer costs. Data transfer between AWS services can add up quickly. Solution. Keep data transfer costs in mind. Use services within the same region to reduce fees. Mistake 5. Neglecting to monitor costs. Many startups don't monitor their AWS costs regularly. Solution. Schedule monthly reviews of your AWS spending and adjust as needed. 7. Quick checklist. Analyze your AWS usage with Cost Explorer. Right-size your EC2 instances based on utilization. Implement auto-scaling for EC2 resources. Set lifecycle policies for S3 data. Create AWS budgets and set alerts. 8. Summary plus CTA. Optimizing your AWS costs doesn't have to be overwhelming. By analyzing usage, right-sizing resources, using lifecycle policies, and setting budgets, you can significantly reduce your expenses. Avoid common mistakes like ignoring unused resources and over-provisioning. Remember to regularly monitor your costs. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more actionable insights. Let's keep optimizing together. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days: latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear. Quick recap: keep it simple, avoid over-engineering, and build the smallest thing that works. If you want a real demo or a checklist for this topic, comment demo and I'll make the next video. Subscribe for practical AWS, DevOps, Docker, and Kubernetes content.